pabilin?
My driver's license?
Yeah, pass. Pass. Yeah, okay. Sige na.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was my grandma. She's so funny. Anyways, I am on my way to my sister's house because we are actually headed to Canada today for my cousin's bachelorette party. That's actually why I'm here. This new song that Ed Sheeran and Khalid just dropped is so good. It is fire. Go check it out. This is a pretty cool Airbnb. I'm on the rooftop over here. Say hi, guys. This is awesome. Hi, Gabby. Hola. Hi. Oh, hi. There's just this cart in the parking garage rolling by itself, and there's no one around. Hit the car. Oh my gosh! It hit the car. It's over there.
That's like a piece of cement that just hit the bottom of their car. I like don't want to park in here anymore. Like that's scary.
Where did that thing come from? It was spinning, I swear to God.
There's the cart that just hit.
And it's a BMW. Oh my
man.
God. Oh.
Poor guy, man. Look at that. Gabby, what restaurant are we at?
Chambray.
Thank you. Chambray.
Wearing chambray.
Ooh, look at all those fruits. Yum. Yummy fruits. Dang, look at those donuts. Fromage. Basically, it's a big public market. It's pretty sweet here. The vibes are cool. Do you have a do you have a
Oh my God, Gabby and I were like, we don't have an exit strategy.
Oh my gosh. What is that, Kiana?
Hollow hollow.
Yum.
What is this questionable beer?
Oh. It's hollow letters. What are you doing, hollow
Mixing the
letters?
hollow.
Everything out.
We are headed back to the U.S. and are done with the party in the States. Is what they call here. And here's this awesome bridge. This is so awesome. We're waiting at the Canadian border, and there's this ice cream guy walking in between the cars while we wait. It's right there. It's pretty awesome, and he's wearing a cool hat. It's not even that hot. Hey there. I know I look extra gorgeous right now, but I just got back from Canada, and literally I'm headed in the car to go to SeaTac so I can catch my flight back to Phoenix, and then from there I'm gonna take a brief nap and then head to California. I realized that in the span of 24 hours I will be in 4 places: Canada, Arizona, Canada, Washington, Arizona, then California. Pretty crazy.